spokesperson of the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board, JAMB has announced the release of the mock exams students wrote to prepare them for the main exam. In a statement released on Wednesday, Mr. Fabian Benjamin said the result of the mock examination conducted on June 3 is ready on our website. The mock exam conducted by JAMB before the main every year is to give candidates clues as to how JAMB UTME will be. It exposes candidates to the way JAMB sets questions to test candidates' ability for The mock exams also allow candidates to know which subjects they are weak or strong in. JAMB statement said, a total of 160,718 candidates indicated interest to sit for the examination, but only 62,780 turned out for the mock exercise. The mock exam is not compulsory. It is completely optional and it is not a requirement for writing the main exam. Mr. Fabian Benjamin directed candidates that wrote the mock exam to visit their website www.jamb.gov.ng to check the results and print out their slip. This is how to check JAMB mock exam result from JAMB website. Go to JAMB portal at www.jamb.gov.ng. Then click on the Quick Links option on the page. The drop-down will show you different options. Choose the Intranet login if you are logging in for the first time. The username is your profile code and your password is your NIN. You need to create a password for other login. Your username is still your profile code. To print out your mock exam slip, visit https://portal.jamb.gov.ng/exam slip printing/print mock examination slip. Enter your JAMB registration number or email address in the required column. Then, click on Print Examination Slip button to access print your mock Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination Slip.